Message requests not showing on Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, welcome back to this new tutorial. I'm going to show you how to fix this issue easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager, guys, on this page you will find every single option you have on every single app you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Facebook Messenger, and then click on it like this. Click on force stop, and now you have to go into the storage or the internal storage. Wait a few seconds, it will start computing, and then click on clear data and clear cache. Go back to the app informations page, and now click on data usage. Make sure that everything is enabled. Thank you so much.